Alright, since we don't have access to the Mad Pack 2 in its current state, I went ahead and set up a 1.7.10 instance of Minecraft with Ender.io, GrowthCraft, Thermal Expansion, NEI, and the other required jars, mods, etc. that those others depend on. The only reason Thermal Expansion's in there because I wanted their Creative Strong boxes. Alright, let's go ahead and set up similar to what John had with brew kettles, fire under them, hoppers, etc. And I'm using Ender.io conduits at this stage to supply water, and in between the kettles, just because I have them, you can use anything you want at this point. And if you set up a 2x2 Ender.io reservoir tank and right click it with a wrench to set it to auto output, fill it with 2 buckets of water, it becomes a water source supply. Alright, going to set up some barrels here similar to what John had. I'm just going to use 4 of them, 2 on the bottom, 2 on the top. And we're going to put conduits here in the front for input from the second kettle. And then we're going to set up conduits in the back, transferring fluid from the bottom row to the top row. And we're going to go ahead and set the auto extract on all the pipes. And you can see once the fluid enters the bottom row, it immediately gets sent to the top. And this is the problem that John was having with the extra utilities pipes. And let's go ahead and bust these all out of here and set it up again. Okay, let's go ahead and set this all back up again. Same 4 barrels, conduits in the front, conduits in the back, and we're going to go ahead and set up all the audio extracts in the back. And before we turn on the audio extract on the brew kettle, let's go ahead and take a bucket of the ale in the stage we want that's already fermented and right click the conduits in the back. This will set a filter on it. Now, when we go over and set the auto extract up on the brew kettle, it enters the bottom row, but does not exit, go back up to the top. Alright, we're going to pause here and come back in about 20 minutes, which is one Minecraft day, to see the end of the fermentation process. Okay, we're back. Fermentation process is just finishing up. And there we go. It extracted the proper ale once it was done. And that pretty much finishes it up. Hope this helped.